Hey guys, welcome. Today I want to show you the watchlist feature. This feature is very helpful and I'll show you how to use it. Let's go to CTR signals. When you're looking for signals and you want to follow it. So let's say I want to follow vibe and I want to see this signal until it closes. Let's click follow. You see this line is highlighted. And then the cool thing about it, you can always access your watchlist from wherever you are. So let's say you go to the dashboard and now just click watchlist and here it is. Vibe. The exact same signal we had here. Now when the timeout is over, when it reaches 0, the signal will continue to in progress tab, which then later will go to close tab. If your signal in the watchlist is closed, then you can go also to closed. And here you can see all the signals you followed. And of course, you can always go to details to see all the trades. Let's see here. This signal is closed. You can see I went to the close tab, clicked details, and went to a close signal. You can see the open rate, close rate, profit, ROI, all the details needed. I hope this is helpful and have a good night.